Hello, friends. My name is Emily, and today I'm excited to share my daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so that English learners, especially beginners, can understand me easily. This lesson will help you learn simple and useful English words for everyday life. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I turn it off and sit up in bed. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy, but I know it's time to start my day. I stretch my arms and then go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It makes me feel fresh and awake. Sometimes I also take a quick shower if I have enough time. After that, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter or eggs. Sometimes I have fruit or cereal instead. I always drink tea in the morning. Green tea is my favorite because it helps me feel calm and ready for the day. While eating, I often check my phone or listen to music. I like reading messages or checking the weather before I leave. Next, I go back to my room to get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a simple t-shirt. If the weather is cold, I add a sweater. I also brush my hair and check my bag. I make sure I have my phone, wallet, and keys. Then I put on my shoes and leave home. I walk to the bus stop, which is very close to my house. I see other people waiting too, going to work or school. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes I listen to music or podcast. Other times I just relax and look out the window. When I arrive at work, I say hello to the security guard and go to my office on the third floor. I turn on my computer, check emails, and look at my plan for the day. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. I write, send emails, and talk to clients. Sometimes I join meetings with my coworkers. At lunchtime, I usually eat food that I bring from home, like a sandwich, rice, or fruit. Sometimes I go out and buy something small. I like to eat with my coworkers because we chat and laugh together. After lunch, I feel more active and continue working until 5 o'clock in the evening. Then I pack my things, say goodbye, and leave the office. On my way home, I sometimes listen to music or just rest on the bus. When I arrive, I change into comfortable clothes like sweatpants and a hoodie. It feels good to relax at home. In the evening, I cook a simple dinner like pasta, rice, or salad. I like to play soft music while cooking. After eating, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Then I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I watch a movie, read a book, or call my family and friends. I also like writing in my journal or just listening to music. Before sleeping, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I put on my pajamas and prepare my room. I like to read a little before bed because it helps me relax. Finally, I turn off the light, lie down, and say to myself, "Good job today. Tomorrow will be another new day." Then I close my eyes and go to sleep.